Less mess is best. So here to show us some creative and DIY pumpkins you can try this Halloween at home is DIY and craft expert. You know her, you love her from years of working on this very show. April Kalu is back, baby.
I'm back.
Hello, April.
So good to see you. Now you have exploded into the social media superstar. I remember you're like, Dee, I've taken up crocheting. And then she creates this incredible niche online, and you've been incredible at making it accessible to everybody and not intimidating.
Yeah, everything I do in all my videos are extremely beginner friendly.
Okay.
I feel like I just keep learning new things, which is a really bad habit of mine. But I've learned crochet, knit, punch needle, embroidery, like cross stitch, sewing. Like I'm obsessed.
Okay, so you're going to teach us right now.
Do in your house, do we not open up the pumpkin at all and get in there for the gooey stuff?
Tim, nobody wants to do that anymore.
No, is that
Sorry if people do, but it's too messy. I don't want to do it anymore.
But look how great this looks.
Yeah,
okay,
it's
so
too messy. Okay, we're going to start. Yeah, of course. Okay, so really there's a trend online. It's a DIY and dine parties, okay? So this is where you bring your friends over, your neighbors, your girlfriends. We're coming over, we're doing a craft, you're serving dinner afterwards.
Oh.
But the key really is you need to pick DIYs that are not time consuming, okay? So I pick these very specifically, and party planning is taken care of because everything you see here is from the Knit and Sew Shop and Party Shop at Michael's. Okay. And all of these DIYs are under 30 minutes. Okay?
And doable.
This whole thing? You did that in this whole thing?
We have time for the wine and cheese. Yeah. Okay, I'm just going to show you how this one done, but you're going to do this one. This one is you're going to take any craft napkins. When I saw this beautiful floral pattern, I was like, I need to cover a pumpkin with this, okay?
Paper napkin.
Paper napkin. I'm going to show the camera this. You're going to take this liner off. Do you see this? How this thin liner comes off of any napkin? We don't need this anymore. Throw it out.
See ya.
This, we're going to cut some strips, just like that. And then you're really just going to take this strip like this, put it on your pumpkin. You're going to use Mod Podge. That's popular today on the show. Mod Podge. And you're just going to put it all over the pumpkin. And that's it. That's literally it.
So you mix the Mod Podge with the water, you stir it up.
No, you don't. No.
Oh,
it's right here.
as
The Mod
is.
Podge as is. And you're just doing the strips and just gluing it right onto the pumpkin.
Beautiful.
Yeah. So if you want a little simpler, you can take any pattern off of a napkin.
Okay.
So
you did the exact same thing, but
I did
cut
the
it off.
exact same thing. Dee, you're going to do this one, okay? Or Tim, you want to do it. You look like, I think you're feeling crafty.
Yeah, let's do it.
Here's a great tip, is also just add a tad, just a little
bit so it
dot
sticks
there. It sticks there, and then just go ahead and gently
And like how much do you want? How much do you put on there?
just do what your heart desires there with the
hold
Mod
it in
Podge,
place,
okay?
and
To
then-
hold it in place, and you just do it gently because it is very delicate napkin. And that's it.
Oh, because you don't want to tear that napkin.
Yeah,
How
you're
long does
doing
it take to dry, though, April?
I would say under an hour for doing something like this. It's not bad. And I bought a gloss finish, so it's nice and glossy.
Timmy, you're doing a
But
great
look how
job.
good that is. Isn't that so easy?
It's really cute.
Okay, we're
Now
moving on to the next.
I thought
Isn't
it
that so
was-
cool?
it was like
Okay,
a sticker
so when
treatment.
I saw this black and white striped tableware, I was like, okay, this is perfect for a DIY party to make this edgy type of pumpkin. And how do we make a pumpkin cool and edgy? We add tattoos.
Oh, yeah, it's cute.
Okay, and this one is so fun for kids because there's no tools, there's nothing sharp,
mess.
no mess. Okay, Dee, you're gonna pick any tattoo you want.
Okay,
Just make sure you
okay.
take the plastic film off.
Oh, right.
But you get any tattoos, and you can.
Spider.
There is no mistakes here and no rules. You're really just putting it anywhere you want.
Okay.
Yeah.
So you take the thing off.
Yeah,
like
and
you
here,
would.
just dab it on, just like you're doing a
one of these?
tattoo. And honestly, if you get different colored temporary tattoos and you have like a black pumpkin or a pink pumpkin, you can do that as well.
So then you're like, you know, you have a little wine, you
I
dip
think
into
you're
the
good. You're
chocolate.
good. I think you're good.
And you reveal.
Oh,
Ta-da!
wow.
Oh, that's so
Isn't that
cute.
cool?
Very nice.
And it's so easy, perfect for kids. Okay.
What are these crochet
Speaking of
things?
kids, Tim,
I
big
know. I could not come and bring DIYs on the show without bringing yarn because I'm a yarn hoarder. So I was like, I need to do this, okay? So this yarn texture I love. I'm thinking of like, you know, when you think of yarn, you think of like cozy cottage, blankets. So I want to yarn wrap a pumpkin, okay? So that's why I have this autumn plates, this wooden charger. So you're going to take a styrofoam pumpkin, okay? And we're going to hollow out the center right through the top to the bottom.
hollowing out of the center?
So this is for an adult. If you have any kids doing this, make sure the adults are hollowing out the styrofoam pumpkins, but you're using scissors. It is get quite messy. I do it over the garbage can, okay? I added a tapestry needle. You definitely don't have to do this, but you're just feeding this yarn through the bottom and to the top, just like this. Tim, do you want to try it?
Look at you, Tim.
That's all you're doing.
Okay.
And you're just going to keep doing that over and over. Just go to the bottom, to the top.
So one might say
Until it's
that puts
wrapped.
the hollow in Halloween, April. Oh, get your
I'm so happy you did a pun in my segment. That means a lot to me.
You
that
never know
means
when
a lot
it's going to strike. But April, wait, what is this?
And these are just stumps. You find. Go to your backyard. Just grab a stump and stick them right in. And I honestly didn't even use any hot glue for this. There's just so much yarn in there. I just stuck it in there.
Why
Do you
is
want to
that
just
so
carry
easy
on with
and
your
cute?
yarn pumpkin?
You love it.
Are you good?
Look how chic that looks.
Yeah, they look so
Are
cute.
your kids, your kids are like the same age as my kids, but are they just like, Mom, can't we just open up a pumpkin?
Okay, my kids are super crafty. They want to do all the crafts.
They want to do the crafts, okay.
Their mom's doing crafts 24/7. They're like, Mom, can you do a craft with me or what?
You just said you haven't started yet because you know it's going to be so messy. You need to be doing more of this, Tim.
See?
Get them hooked on this.
Okay.
Exactly. Okay, so we're feeling this cozy, cottagey vibe. I saw this beautiful blue and white gingham pattern on these plates and these napkins, and I thought this is a perfect hosted party that's kind of like that cottage vibe, but also bringing in a pop of orange. This DIY is super easy because I already did some of it for you. We're using a styrofoam pumpkin again, but we are just hollowing out. Ooh.
Oh, there it goes.
Runaway pumpkin.
out.
We're hollowing out, thank you, Tim. We're hollowing out just the top of the pumpkin there.
You don't do the whole thing. Okay.
Yep, you don't
just
do it
the
to the
top.
bottom, just the top. And then we're putting some tulle in and just stuff it in the middle. Tim,
That's
go
it?
ahead, you go for it. Put it all in the middle as best as you can, and you can do multiple layers so that it gets a little bit darker.
And then we're
you
stuffing
add a
this in
stem.
there like
Look
that,
at
so it's
that.
like
You know what,
that.
Apes? You just
did
inspired
it.
me. You could do a tool with, like, you know, like a little bit of bling in it if you want, like, a glam pumpkin.
Yes.
Like black with some bling in it.
Yeah, and because the tulle is so like fine in color, so I did 2 layers of tulle here, and I did 3 layers of the orange tulle, just to give it that like punch.
More saturated.
But anyone you're designating this specific DIY to, this person's drinking all the wine and eating the cheese because it's the fastest one. So just know that. That's going to be gone.
Done,
Yeah,
finished.
yeah. They're going to eat all the cheese.
Or if you're like me and you're stress eating while watching the Jays, it's like, what happened to the stash I bought for the kids? I'm eating it. Do you not find that? Am I the only one stress eating watching the Jays games?
I'm stress crafting.
You're stress crafting.
I'm crocheting my blanket like
I can't.
crazy.
I don't eat
I'm
like
like, oh my
that.
God.
You stress
Watching
eat?
the
I don't
game.
do
You
that,
don't
no.
stress
No,
eat?
I'm just stressed.
Really?
I just
But you know what, April's
No
working
drinker
out in our
for
favor
adults.
because you were able to share all these
maybe
ideas.
drink.
And I know how much you love happy
I
Halloween.
do. I love
Halloween.
Halloween.
You always have. Where do we get more info on you, hon?
Oh, follow me, othcrochetnook.ca. I have so many tutorials. Can I teach you?
Do you know what
Can I teach you how to crochet?
OTH stands for?
Yes.
OTH?
Is?
Off the hook.
What?
Yes! Because her designs are off the chain. I'll stop now. We'll be back with more BT right after this. It's a boom with Kalu for Halloween. I'm done now.